What's up, Airsofters? So today I'm gonna show you how I maintain my Glock 17 Gen 5. So I've had this gun for about 4 years now, and I've never had any issue with it. And I'm pretty sure it's because I clean it every, I would say 4 weeks, 4 to 6 weeks, and yeah, it works pretty well. Before we get to the point, please like the video and subscribe to the channel. It helps a lot, guys. I'm really trying to hit that 1,000 subscribers. Without further ado, let's get straight to it. Alright guys, for the maintenance, you're gonna need those. This one is the silicone oil spray, and that one is the it's some grease. I'll drop the link to the description, and you can find it on Amazon. And by using the link, you will also help the channel because it's an affiliate link. You will also need a towel. I know, guys, this one is super dirty. I shouldn't be using it. And you might need some gloves if you don't want your hands to get dirty. Alright guys, let's get it started. First, we need to break down the weapon. If you had the mag in it, you just remove the mag. Alright, now we have to remove the slide. To remove the slide, it's easy. You can just lock the slide back with this thing. Now, all you need to do is, you see this, I forgot how they call them, but you just need to push them down at the same time, both at the same time. Then you release the slide. See, comes out. That's easy. Now we can start by breaking down the slide. Alright guys, removing the recoil spring on the Gen 5 is not as easy as removing it on the Gen 4. That's because of the adjustable hopper. If I try to remove it right now, it won't work because it's locked in. So basically what you need to do, you see this little gap over there? I don't know if y'all can see it. There's a little gap. Rotate this gap on the opposite side. Let's rotate it. So as soon as it gets on the opposite side, now I try to remove it. We gotta play with it a little, like rotate it. Yup, see? Boom. Now remove the barrel. Easy. And watch out with this little thing that was sitting over there. You don't want to lose this thing. Remove it, put it aside, and boom. And I forgot to tell you guys, you need to remove the inner barrel from the outer barrel. Alright guys, so I don't want to use the dirty towel to take the dirty grease off, so I'm gonna use some napkins. Let me bring them here. Look at that. The frame as well. Alright guys, I basically removed all the grease. I'm gonna use the silicone spray to spray everything. Spray down the inner barrel and even the barrel. Like out. Yeah, I'm out of spray, guys. I need to order more. Alright, so alright, I'm out of spray. But you get it. You just put a little there, a little there. And now what we're gonna do is use another napkin. We're gonna remove some of that extra spray. Just tap it. usually use Q-tips to clean the inner barrel, but I don't have Q-tips right now, so I'm gonna leave it as it is. Once you remove the extra oil, put the slide back together. First, put the inner barrel inside the outer barrel. Yep. Put the barrel inside the frame. No, not the frame. The slide. Don't forget this little thing that I told you about earlier. You don't want to lose it. The wider part goes down. Now for the recoil spring, you're gonna put it in the same way you put it out. Okay, once you put it in, you rotate it back up. See? Now we're gonna need some grease. Just enough to paint the frame. Not the whole frame, the sides of the frame. I don't know if you all can see what I'm doing. For this side. Alright, and that's all. All you gotta do now is put the slide back on the frame. And sometimes I also spray some silicone oil on the mag just to clean it, especially this part, and then wipe it off a little, and boom.